so I have to let you know that fog that we've been dealing with the last several mornings, it's there again this morning, so watch out for that as you're along the coastline, Solana Beach. Very foggy right now. Patchy fog also downtown, bad in Imperial Beach, visibility less than half a mile there. And that's, again, going to be something we are going to be contending with every single morning this week. So kind of just be prepared for that, potentially even into next week. So we've got some thunderstorms out there, mostly in Riverside and San Bernardino County. You can see they're starting to move farther up to the north, away from our area, but there may be a few sprinkles near our mountains this morning. A better chance arrives this afternoon, and that's going to be anywhere in the county. So that dome of warm air continues to set over the western half of the country, pulling in monsoon moisture, but I know you're looking right down there. I'm sure your eyes went straight to our new named storm, Tropical Storm Lydia. We were talking about this yesterday, going to be tracking right up the Baja Peninsula into next week. Saturday, we're going to start to feel that moisture increasing. The clouds are going to start to build. Those clouds will mitigate our temperatures a little bit, but it is going to be so much more humid than it even has been Sunday and for our Labor Day, potentially into our Tuesday. Not quite as hot. Tomorrow, likely one of the hottest days we've seen along our coastline. We could see 90s all the way to our beaches. Inland neighborhoods, we're right back into the triple digits. That's what we're going to be averaging, though some areas today will be in the triple digits. Again, more clouds Saturday, more humid Sunday and Monday. Showers, thunderstorms possible anywhere in the county, but hey, at least it won't be quite as hot. Temperatures also in the dropping down to the 80s for our mountains, but you can see that potential for thunderstorms near our mountains continues through Wednesday. Kalina?
Well,